Do you know that 1 out of every 5 runners get cramps? It's that common. And yet, a lot of runners don't know how to really manage the cramps properly or even prevent them from happening in the first place. That's what today's video is all about, because in today's video I'm going to tell you why cramps happen in the first place and what you can do right now before TMM for the cramps not to hit you on race day. Hi, I'm Dr. Rajani Patil. I'm a spine and sports physiotherapist practicing for over 24 years here in Shivaji Park, Mumbai. My company's name is Orthosports Physiotherapy. As you know, every year before TMM Mumbai Marathon, I publish a series of videos that are supposed to help you run TMM at your best. So this video, because cramps are so common, I want to explain to you all the myths and facts that go into cramps and how you can manage them effectively. बहुत रनर्स को ये पता नहीं होता है कि क्रैम्प्स टोटली प्रिवेंट हो सकते हैं एंड क्रैम्प किसी एक रीज़न से नहीं आता. देयर आर 5 एक्चुअली रीजंस व्हाई द क्रैम्प्स हैपन इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. इनफैक्ट मेरे बहुत ऐसे रनर्स हैं जिन्होंने ट्रेनिंग ऑप्टिमली की होती है. एवरीथिंग दे प्रैक्टिस रियली वेल, strength was really good, these are strong runners, and yet they could not finish Mumbai Marathon because of a really bad cramp. I don't want this to be you. Let's look at what these 5 reasons are for a cramp. Reason number 1, muscle fatigue. So why do muscles fatigue fast? It's because they're not strong to begin with. So if your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads or your calves, if these are not strong, then your calves are going to get overloaded and overcompensated, and hence the spasm or the cramp will start. Reason number 2, an electrolyte imbalance, which means that your sodium, potassium, magnesium, all these are not really in place properly, and because of which a cramp happens. Reason number 3, overstriding. So if you are taking long steps, if you've not really corrected your gait enough, your posture enough, and you tend to do a lot of overstriding, then your calf muscles need to do more work and this can lead to a spasm. Number 4 is a poor warm-up. If you have not done an adequate amount of warm-up, or if your warm-up is not really the correct type, then this can lead to a muscle spasm, especially in the calf muscle. Reason number 5 is running too fast too soon, and this happens to a lot of new runners. In the beginning, they may not understand the need to pace in the beginning, or they've not actually practiced their pacing strategy, and because of that the cramp can happen. So let's see what you can do about preventing cramps from happening on Mumbai Marathon day. Fix number 1, I want you to strengthen all your weak links, which is your glutes, hamstrings, calves. I want you to start training them from now. You should include more strength workouts for core and glutes abhi. And do it in the next couple of weeks. You don't want to wait till closer to Mumbai Marathon to do that. In my previous video, I have explained this a little bit more in detail. Also the type of exercises that you should be doing as a runner in order to strengthen your weak links. So make sure that you look at that. I'll put a link below. The second fix is making sure your electrolyte balance is on par. I recommend all my Mumbai Marathon runners to do a blood test to figure out their serum electrolytes, figure out if they are low or if they are on par. Especially those runners who are prone to cramps. People who are not generally prone to cramps, you don't necessarily need to do a blood test. What you need to do, however, is to start hydrating more from now onwards. So start drinking a little more water from now all the way up to Mumbai Marathon. And the week before, you will of course take more electrolytes and water at the same time, more than usual in the week before. You also want to start thinking about doing more electrolytes in the body. So Nimbu Pani, coconut water, these are our nature's electrolytes that we have. ORS is good. Use any electrolytes that supports your tummy, that you feel good in your gut, and do a little bit more. Sip through the day, don't take it all at once, because that again can cause indigestion and things. So work on your electrolyte balance now. Fix number 3, correct your stride a little bit if possible right now. The sooner the better. If you don't have enough time, if you're watching this video very close to TMM, then I don't want to worry about this right now. I do want to talk to you about how overstriding makes a big difference. What you need to do for that is very simple. Start taking smaller strides. Runners usually think कि to cover a larger area or a greater mileage, the longer steps they take, the better. Logically, that seems right, but it's not. That is a leading cause for cramps in the calf. So take shorter strides, maybe practice a few barefoot drills with shorter strides so that it becomes subconscious. When you start running, you will not be overstriding. Fix number 4, warm up. From now on, you should know what warm up you're going to use on the race day. On all your long runs, it should be the exact same one. And it should be very much geared towards running. It cannot be a random warm up that you see people doing. Pay attention to your problem areas and warm that up a little bit more. Warm up your shin, warm up your calf muscles if you're prone to cramping. There is a warm up video that I have done. I'll link it below. If you think that is useful to you, please use that one. Fix number 5. Don't get into the temptation of overtraining now, closer to Mumbai Marathon. Be confident in what you have done, because on race day, if you follow your pace strategy, you will be fine. And on race day, because of anxiety also, you will want to push. So remember that not to push too much too soon on the race day, especially in the beginning. Go slower to start with and then gradually increase your pace. But the great thing to do now is not to overtrain. Follow the plan properly and also create a pace strategy that works for you. Practice that during your long runs so that on Mumbai Marathon day you follow it to the T. What do you do on race day if a cramp comes? There are few things to do, few things not to do. And the problem is that because runners don't understand what to do, they do the wrong thing and usse cramp actually बढ़ जाता है, कम नहीं हो जाता है, and then starting again becomes difficult. So first and foremost, if the cramp is a small one, like a mild one, then I would suggest that you don't stop running. Just slow down. If you need to, you can walk, but do not come to a complete stop. It will pass on its own. Just walk gently, keep walking on it, and it will go. If the cramp, however, is strong enough that it's not allowing you to take a step, then you will slow down first. Try to walk a little bit till it reduces a little bit and then stop. And the best thing that works for a calf cramp is to put your full body weight on that leg, put your foot down into the ground, put your full body weight on that leg. Trust me, if you have had a cramp before while running and you've tried this, it is extremely painful, but that's the fastest and the short way of making a cramp go away. Next, once that active cramp has stopped, then you can gently massage that area with your hand. Do not try to stretch. If you try to stretch a cramp right away, it's going to go into a massive cramp. It's going to increase. So people will tell you all around you, stretch karo, stretch karo. Do not stretch on the cramp. Put your body weight on it properly, full body weight. Tolerate the pain because that's going to make it go away. It will go. Then you massage it gently. And then you can move your foot up and down so that it will gently move. The muscle will move and hence the cramp will go. Then you gradually walk again and start running again. If it keeps coming back, however, and it's getting more and more intense every time, remember then something, the electrolyte, any of the things that I've told you before, कहीं तो कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है, then having electrolytes now may not help. But take electrolytes, take some salt capsules. If anybody has salt, that also can help you. So I hope that you don't get cramps on Mumbai Marathon day, but if you do, this video will definitely help you so that you don't make the mistakes a lot of runners. There are a lot of my runners that are prone to cramps, and I have made sure that their next marathon, half or full, has gone absolutely cramp free. So if you are prone to cramps, if you get cramps on your major race days, come and see me or WhatsApp me. My number is here on the screen and I can help you get rid of your cramps right away. I hope this video has helped you. I hope you found it useful. Do share it with your running buddies and don't forget to subscribe, because every week, twice a week, videos are going to come to you before TMM. And like I said, I do this every year and there are some previous playlists that you can also check out and share with your friends as well. Don't forget to tap on the bell icon, because as soon as I publish a video, it will come in your inbox straight away. I'll see you in the next video.